Hi, today's episode is about fifth chakra and how to open. So fifth chakra is about soul's gate. It's symbolized soul's gate. It's located in the throat right here next to thyroid gland, and it's same as man's Adam's apple right here. That's throat. That's where fifth chakra is. So what the function of fifth chakra is, it's kind of expression yourself, or fifth chakra function is to representing your true voice, your inner voice, your soul's voice. That's why soul goes through this gate and to meet the sixth chakra. So fifth chakra is about connection between your physical body here and spiritual body. So think about 1 to 3 chakra is about the physical body, which we have same with animals, and 4 chakra we have both. We have emotion, which come from physical life, and we have soul, which come from spiritual life. It coexists, physical life and spiritual life, and then it separates, and the soul rises through the 5th chakra and meet the 6th chakra and go to 7th chakra, and you complete your soul. So 5th chakra is gate. It's very, very important how to open your 5th chakra to meet the 6th chakra. When you think about 5th chakra, this is color is like turquoise or green, blue-green, okay? Location is throat and element is sound, the blue-green. The gemstone is aquamarine, turquoise, blue calcite, amazonite. My favorite actually crystal is this one, chrysocolla. So this is my favorite, and I also need my 5th chakra opening a lot, so I always come to this here, aquamarine or chrysocolla. This kind of is my favorite colors and my favorite clothing also. You know, this is my color too. And when you look at the symbol of it, you can see butterfly. You can see stairs here. 5th chakra means transformation, which is you go through the gate, you go through these stairs and be completely free, which is a butterfly. Complete transformation is a butterfly. And you people are born this world to transform, but some cocoon, some of them never be butterfly and die in the cocoon, right? So human being can be same. We can be awakened, our soul can be awakened to be butterfly, complete freedom, or die in the physical world. So that much 5th chakra is so important. So why it's hard to open ourselves in the 5th chakra? We have so much attachment, right? We have so much attachment coming from your desires, emotion, your memories. Think we have to hold on to it. We have to hold on to it to be safe, to be able to control, right? So to open the 5th chakra, the rule, the principle of opening of our 5th chakra is you need to let go of all of your attachment. So only pure soul can fly to reach the 6th chakra. So why are we so attached to, right? To many things. What are you attached to? Are you attached to the physical life, which is your money or love or relationship or recognition or power or fame? What are you truly attached to? So reflect yourself. What am I attached to most? And why am I attached to most? And if you recognize it, at least you want to let it go of it, then we still want to, holding on to it sometime because we don't know what the letting go means. We think letting go means losing something. Think about things like, okay, let me show you. So this is my elevated healing tools. So I love this, for example. I love so much, so I don't want to let it go. Then what happened? I'm so attached to it. I love so much, I don't want to let go. So what happened? Who is controlling me? This thing is controlling me. I'm not free. You want to not to be free? So if you truly want to be free and your soul to be free and fly, you shouldn't have any burden on it here, right? So you need to be completely free. So what it means letting go? Letting go does not mean you losing it, right? When you let it go, think about it. This, I let it go of this. But does it mean it's not mine yet? It still is mine, but I'm not attached to it. I'm free from it, but I can holding on. I can hold it and use it for whatever I want. Whatever I want. So letting go means the lack of attachment, feeling of attachment from it, but I'm not losing it. So you're free and being able to utilize fully what you already have. For example, if you have so much attachment of money, which is security, right? The basic attachment, the basic foundation of attachment we all have is security, right? When you're not secure, you're afraid, you are holding on to be secure, and you wanna protect yourself. That's what we have. So whenever you're attached to something, look at it. What are you truly attached to? So when you're attached to money or relationship, anything, that means you're so attached to be secure. You want to keep it all the time to feel safe, right? Safe means you're not safe, so you are attached to safety. So you want safety so much, then you'll never be safe, right? You are, if you're truly safe, you are safe without it. When you want to let go means you need to let go of the fear of losing it, isn't it? So I'm holding on to it, so let it go means I loosen my fingers, I let it go, all my hands relax. First thing, you need to relax and feel relaxed first, and being able to separate yourself from this thing. And then whatever energetically you're attached to, if it's about the fear, then let go of the fear energy out. So even if it's still there, I'm not afraid of losing this, so I have control over this. So to be able to control your life, and you want to be everything under your own control, let go of fear of security. Think about the universe. There's nothing to attach. The sky, look at it. Is there any attachment sky has? It's completely free, open space. So sky does not have any attachment. The most stable sky, look at sky or ocean, it's very stable, very secure, but completely free because there's nothing. It's infinite freedom there, and complete freedom, complete control over it. So do you think that all the universe is under certain kind of control? Right, but it's not attached to anything, right? So true freedom, true control comes from no attachment. So I hope through this 5th chakra training, let go of whatever you're attached to. The more you let go of your attachment, the more freedom you will have, the more space in your brain to be able to create. So you can create like a sky, infinite possibility of creation from the 6th chakra, because you let go, you have freedom here, so you can create anything you want and manifest, because nothing is in your way. Attachment is kind of emotional energy there. Something is holding on to you. So when you let go of that emotional energy out from the attachment, then you can experience much different, space, and create and free and secure.